As we wrap up the lesson on studying culture, students should be taking a little bit of time to review the topic so that they are ready for our brief quiz. One very helpful strategy to prepare yourself for quizzes is to look at your notes, but to actually do something with them. What I often tell students is to try and predict quiz questions or create your own quiz questions. Not only does that give you something to practice with, but it's also making you think really deeply, and it's making you to think in a way similar to the teacher, and over time you're going to get really good at predicting the types of things I will ask. And so students should take a couple minutes to look over handout number 3 and predict what kind of quiz questions I might ask. Pause the video now while you do that. I'll come back to that. A few questions that I might have asked are on the board, and a lot of it had to do with the top right box and the bottom right box. Don't use your notes yet, but take a moment and think about how you would fill in these blanks. Pause the video while you think. Now, think about the blanks again, but this time you can use your notes. Pause the video as you try to find the answers. With the notes, this should have been very easy. The top section is looking at the characteristics, which if you put together will give you a strong definition. The bottom section is looking at the things that influence our culture. So where is it that we are learning this cultural background from? In that case, I was looking for these terms. I am assigning a new homework. You will get a video or you will get an email that explains that homework at a later point this day. As we switch today into LEQ and start thinking about Rome and its culture, we're going to use a video from National Geographic, so a piece of a documentary that talks about some of their daily life and achievements. The video is located in the LEQ2 folder of Schoology. It's only about 5 or 6 minutes long with a few questions. I'm not going to grade you on accuracy. I just want to see that you're getting about half of them correct to show me that you are paying attention. Some students finished this yesterday, but others did not. Your next job is to go through and complete the back of handout number 2 and finish annotating those pieces. I'll then include some directions in the email about summarizing your